morning, good evening and good afternoon. Welcome back to part 2 of my Paldea Adventure Chest opening. You've just seen in part 1 the opening of the chest. This is part 2 where I will be opening the booster packs that we got within the beautiful chest itself. So we have Paldea Scarlet and Violet. Scarlet and Violet Paldea Revolved, and then we got an Obsidian Flames. We have a Paradox Rift. We have a plain old Scarlet and Violet. We have another Obsidian Flames, and then we have another Paradox Rift. Let's open these up, see what we get, and pray for something good. Right, so let's get into it. Here we have Paradox Rift number 1. Sorry, I'm just gonna, ow. I have to bite the tops basically because, yeah, I have no luck with opening these. So we have a Feebas, Apom, Pansage, a Manatike, or Mantike. We have a Sliverwing. We have a Gorgeist. We have a Tatsugi. We have a Grimmighoul, Ancient Booster Capsule, which is kind of shiny. Then we have a Palkia, Basic Energy, promo card for you guys at home. Not promo card, code card. As you can tell, I'm losing the plot slightly. Right. Open sesame. Right, so this is pack number 2. This is Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames. So we have Scyther, Meltan, Charcadet, Porn, I can't even pronounce that. And then we have Vengeful Punch, Scaramouche. Oh, we have an Espeon. This is so cute. Then we have a Stunfisk. We have Oddish. Then we have a Scovillian. And then Basic Energy. Code card number 2. Right, this is pack number 3. This is just Scarlet and Violet. There's Growlithe, Starevia, a Braltus, Tandemouse, a weird tentacle creature, a Mousehole, the Vitality Band, Team Stargrunt. We have the Pokeball, the Donduzo, Basic Energy, and code card. We have pack number 3. This is Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift. Oh, sorry about that. Bit of plastic stuck in my mouth. Just the way I love it. Come on. Out we come. Out we come. Look. A Yamask. A Spinder. A Tinkertink. Yeah, Tinkertink. Tandemouse. Screamtail. Professor Sada's Vitality, Minior, a Vettel, a Magby. Oh, and we have the Sandy Shocks EX. Look at that. Pop you up the back there if you're willing to stay. Basic energy. Code card. Right, so this is pack number 5. Which was Obsidian Flames, Scyther, Meltan, Sharadot, I can't even pronounce it, a Linone or Linone, I don't know, but either way, Weird Dog, a Skarmory, a Wugtrio, a Thundurus, a Bronzor, and then we have the Glimmora EX. Ain't she cute? And then we got basic energy and code card. Final pack for the adventure chest. Oh wait, where's my EX? I'll put her up the back here. Oh, she fell over. Okay, leave her be. Final pack is Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved. All we can hope for is a little bit of pack luck, but we've pulled a couple of EXs, so we can't be doing too badly. But yeah, we have a Noibat, a Combi, a Glimmet, a Frigabax, a Plepper, a Fletchinder. Please correct me if I'm actually pronouncing these wrong, because I'm telling you now, I'm terrible. Vigoroth, a Knacklestack, I think that's it, a Kilowattrel. We have the Boss's Orders. This looks like the full art, maybe? But either way, super cute. We have basic energy. And then we have our final code card for this video. So if you like what you see, give me a like, a share, cheeky subscribe if you fancy it. And I will catch you on the next side, okay? Peace!